everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Great car, guys. Love, love, love the color combo. It's Cortez silver. It's got the red ultra leather, and this thing just pops. We got a pretty day with sunshine. It is absolutely brutal cold. I think it's -2 right now. But great car. I was actually the third wheel on a trade. A buddy of mine traded for this car and a Willys that he had, and that's how I ended up with it. I just bought it directly from him. But very nice car, older restoration, but still very nice. If you're looking for a good straight driver, I think you're gonna really like this car. Again, it is a Bel Air. Bel Air two-door Porsche car. It's got a big block 502 underneath the hood, 400 trans, in just a good car, guys. You can nitpick the trim. Again, it's an older restoration. Matter of fact, I believe it's got about 15,000 miles on the resto. But good car. Car came out of Tennessee, good solid Tennessee body. It's got a set of the chrome revs. I think they're 17-inch front and rear. Good rubber, and really just a good car. I like the car a lot. It really drives good. And again, the thing for me, I love the color combination. It just pops to me. Good car. Like I say, we can nitpick the chrome, and I'll show you that as we kind of go around it. You know, it's just not all brand new, but it's still very nice. If you're looking for a nice driver, that's what the car is. Again, you can nitpick, you know, the trim as we walk around, but the car itself is a really good car. Paint slick. I'd almost bet that most of this chrome was actually original on this car. Pretty paint. It's Cortez silver, so it's got some metallic in it. Just pops, really jumps off this car. Looks good. Glass is nice. Yeah, it is brutal cold here, guys. Matter of fact, by the end of this video, if you see me running around to get it done, that's probably why. This back glass, I saw a couple of marks in it. Again, not hideous. I'm not trying to pick the car apart, but you know, I sell a lot of these things sight unseen, man. I'd like you to know what you're getting. And again, I wouldn't do anything to it. If you want to spend the money and put some new trim on it, you can. I mean, it's just like money in the bank. I mean, these things do nothing but go up in value. But I like the car the way it is, man. I think it'll be a great driver. And it hits the road good. Sorry, there's a little dust on that one. Car's nice and flat down the sides, good rubber, again, brand new wheels. I like the car. I mean, it's just, like I say, good, fun car to drive. Like I say, as you go around, you can nitpick the chrome and trim. It's still nice, very nice. Car's clean underneath. Got it up on the hoist, got you some pictures of the bottom of the car. It's got the front disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. Good running 502 GM crate engine in it. It's got a Pro Form 750 dual feed 4-barrel on it, aluminum intake, set of ceramic headers, power steering, again, power front disc brakes. It's got a 400 turbo trans, aluminum radiator out here with the electric fan. It's also got the regular fan on it. It's got trans cooler mounted out here. Good looking car. I know the wipers work. Mirrors are nice. It's power windows, front and rear, they all work. I've actually went ahead and ordered a new switch, the main power switch, just because this one main one here, kind of, you got to wiggle it a little bit. I think it's kind of getting a little worn out. So I've ordered a brand new one, so that'll be here. We'll put that in. But all four windows go up and down. This is a switch that I actually ordered new. Again, it's got all the billet trim. I love this color combination, man. This thing is pretty. Bench seat. This is really nice, really comfortable. So they've definitely refoamed it and everything. Did a nice job on this. Headliner's nice. It's got the sports steering wheel, factory dash, 15,643, and like I say, I'm assuming that is the miles on the restoration. Just kind of, the guy got it from, really didn't know. Like I say, he took it in on trade. But I look at the car and that's kind of what I would. That's a professional guess, if you want to say. Factory dash. It's got some Sun Pro gauges, dual exhaust, factory rear end, no big monster gear. Nice driver is what it is. You can see they finished the trunk. It's a good car. Well, sorry guys. It is freezing cold out here though. Nothing wants to work. Car's clean underneath. Again, I got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom. Doors are clean. This car's just cool, man. And I really think you'll like the way it drives. Hits the road good. Interior is really nice. Radio delete. Actually got the radio delete plate in there. Again, it's got some billet trim on. It's got a billet rear view mirror. Go ahead, Jordy. Go ahead and fire it up. Okay, nitpick the door handles a little. Good running big block. Runs on pump gas, nothing crazy. You know, I recommend premium in all these cars. Well, that car just looks good, man. Good sound. Fuel gauge does work, speedo works. All your other gauges are down there. Looks like the only one they don't have working is your voltmeter. Temp gauge does work, I know that. Hopefully you can see those, and that sun's directly behind me. It's tough, but the blinkers are working. Yeah, again, temp gauge does work. The only one doesn't look like it got hooked up is a voltmeter. There's your switch under the dash for the electric fan. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers do work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. It changes on a daily basis, guys. You can also keep track of us through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page that we can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, I love that car right there. Have a great day, guys.